Hi, come back to my channel again. If you're a lover of fried chinchin but you stop eating it because it always soaks too much oil, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to make crunchy chinchin that does not absorb excess oil. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Begin. In this recipe, I will be using 3 cups of flour. When you are done, go in with your butter. I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter and half teaspoon of nutmeg, half cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Then mix everything very well so it combines properly. Next, add your baking powder and mix again. Now go in with your liquid milk. There is nothing limiting you again from buying liquid milk, especially in Nigeria, because they make it very easy for everyone to buy. It has many sizes now. Add the milk bit by bit. We don't want everything going one-sided. At this point, keep on mixing. Continue to mix everything very well. This is what it's supposed to be looking like by now. Then after that, start adding your water gradually. Bit by bit so you don't make the mistake of adding too much water and you'll spoil everything, especially as a beginner. Keep mixing as you add the water slowly until everything combines nicely. So can you see how everything is going now? It is becoming a dough very smoothly, and you just see it. At this point, if you have reached this level, that means you are getting it. Continue to mix so that you will form a very neat dough. Well, you can see the consistency now, soft and neat. Cut the dough into small parts to make it easier to roll. You can as well roll it big, but if you don't know how to do that, it will be easier for you to cut it small. Then start rolling one after the other. Make sure it is flat but not too thin so that you'll be able to remove it from the surface you are rolling it on, but make it as flat as you can. Then begin cutting. If you don't have a cutter, you can as well use knife. It also works perfectly. This is what mine looks like after cutting it. Do you see? Don't mind how it's all combined together, because immediately you put it inside oil, it will all be separated. Now in a frying pan, add enough oil for frying. To check if the oil is ready, drop 1 or 2 pieces of chin inside. If it rises to the top, the oil is ready. If it doesn't, leave it for a few more seconds. Then, once the oil is ready, go ahead and add your chin. Leave it for about 2 seconds. Then start stirring gently so they separate properly. You don't want your chin to jump back together after frying. Then when frying, do not wait for the chin to become crunchy inside the oil. That is the mistake a lot of people make till today. If you wait for that, your chin must burn. Chin becomes crunchy immediately after it comes out of the oil. So when that is done, remove it once it is close to the color you want. When it is close to the color you want, not when it becomes the color you want, because if it will become slightly darker after removing it from the oil. And here is the result. Can you see? This is the final result of the chin. The chin did not absorb excess oil, and it is very crunchy. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye.